like the worst because I just listen to myself talk and talk and talk, and I'm like, shut the hell up, shut you, like just stop. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a fun video. We're doing a chit chat, get ready with me, although there wasn't much chit chat going on because I didn't have that much to talk I didn't have that much to talk about, so you just sit with me and get ready with me. I don't know, I like watching this type of videos because like I'm getting ready, you could be getting ready, and we're just, it's like we're in the same room chit-chatting and just chilling, you know what I mean, doing our makeup. I don't know, to be honest, where I'm going with this, but here's the video. I just use a bunch of like new makeup that I've been playing with, and I did the simple no makeup routine for you guys. So if you guys would like to see me talk and talk and talk, keep on watching. So like I said, this isn't a makeup tutorial, it's just like a chit chat, get ready with me, and I'm just sharing with you like what I do on a daily basis, basically. Not a daily basis, but my go-to, let me say that, yeah, my go-to makeup. This is what I do. So this is supposed to be like a chit chat, get ready with me, and I don't know what to talk about because my life is so boring. Like I don't know what to talk about, to be honest. My life is super boring. I don't do much. I have like 5 friends. I usually make this face every time I do my brows. I have to like do that to get like the right shape for my brows because I don't like tweeze or thread or wax the excess hair on my brows, so I just do this to get the shape, you know? This is a first because I usually do my brows before filming because it usually takes me a time. My brows never look alike because they're so different. So I'm currently like in a hoodie. The weather is so, I don't know what's wrong with Nairobi weather, to be honest. It's been playing mind game. It's been playing mind games with us lately, and I'm not happy about that. Like it'll give us 2 warm days or like 2 hot days, and then bam, it's like back to cold. It took me such a long time to film that skincare video, by the way. It took me such a long time because I'm very, not cautious, but like I'm very, I don't know, shy about when it comes to that stuff. I don't like being vulnerable like in that sense, so sharing that stuff was a bit personal, you know what I mean? My skin has been so good to the point where I don't even wear foundation anymore. Like I'm using the Body Shop Vitamin C Skin Boost. I told you this thing acts like a primer to me. I don't know. Yeah, what else have you guys been up to? I haven't been up too much, to be honest. Ever since I was like close with school, I've just been chilling, hanging out, regrouping myself. Nothing much, to be honest. Life's kind of boring on my side. I just use concealer to like hide my disgusting under eyes. So today I haven't used a sponge in a while. This is the Morphe sponge, which I absolutely, this is like my favorite. Actually my favorite sponge is the beauty blender I have. I've had that the longest. That was my first ever blending sponge, and I absolutely love it. And then I got this one last year and I love it. It's just as good, just a bit denser, but just as good. And then sometime this year I got the Real Technique ones, and I don't like it. I mean, it's fine, but it's not my favorite, you know what I mean? Like it gets the work done, but it's weird. I feel like it soaks up a lot of the product, but like my sister doesn't feel the same way about it. She really likes it, but I think because she hasn't tried other sponges, maybe that's maybe that's the case. But for me, I don't know, I prefer this and the beauty blender itself. I mean, I'm just using like a bunch of new makeup, by the way. Like remember the last haul I posted? That's all we're gonna be using, just makeup from that. I don't even clean up my brows because I told you guys I like that messy, natural, bushy. How's August been for you guys? Can you imagine? It's like halfway done. Today's like the 15th, I think. 16th? Yeah, today's the 16th. Today's Thursday, innit? Literally August started yesterday. I don't know where it's running to. I don't know what the problem is. I'm just setting myself with like loose translucent powder, so like the concealer doesn't move around. And then what I do is I take the Maybelline Fit Me powder, which is a bit darker than me. I told you guys I like my powders slightly darker. I love even powders, like all my foundations, I prefer it being a shade darker because it gives me like a nice tan. And I just use this like on the perimeter of my face, like my forehead, for example. That's it for now. And then I'm so powdery. And then for bronzer, what I use is the MAC powder and W43. I fake bronze, like with my everyday tutorial I just like fake bronze, if that makes sense. because I don't know, it's not real. Okay, so for blush, or like bronzer, I've been loving the Sleek blush in Sahara. It's like a very nice terracotta brown. It's like orangey, browny, I don't know. It's very subtle. That's what I like about it. It's very subtle and very nice. Now for eyeshadow, I don't really know what we're gonna do for eyeshadow. Eyeshadow every day, but I like having like a neutral lid. You know what I mean? So today we're gonna use the 35 palette by Morphe. This is what it looks like. It's just like a nice everyday palette. I'm using this like fleshy colored shade. Fleshy colored. I don't know where to place this. I'm trying to find like a spot for it. This is like a one brush type of look. I think that's good enough, and then we're gonna go back in with the blush we used. This kind of like just seals everything together. You have the same blush on your cheek and then you have it in your lid. It just, I don't know, if everything just flows better, you know what I mean? For me, in my okay. Usually it just depends. If I'm going somewhere, I will put on lashes, but if I'm not, I'd skip the lashes, you know what I mean? It really honestly depends with how I'm feeling. So we're just gonna curl those lashes. This is a new routine that I've added to my, not that routine, I used to curl it but then I stopped, and then now I'm doing it again because I got too comfortable with the lashes, I guess. But I barely have those. Like my 5 lashes. Going back with like the best mascara ever made. Ever made. Hello. I'm filming. Took a mini break, now we're back. It's time for the best part, highlighter. Now before that we're gonna fix plus our face. So that's why I always do this off camera, because the face is so ugly. Bratman's palette and the brush that he came with. These planes. We've been Paradise, and we're gonna use the shade Mahu. To be honest, highlight's a favorite part. Like, I won't stop if I keep going. See, that's why I never use a fan brush for my highlight, because I know it just keeps going and going and going. I've been so over like full face makeup. If you haven't noticed, I don't wear like full face makeup anymore. I used to, because that was fun. I mean, I still do it for looks, but I'm like over it now. Now for lips, we're gonna do something fun, and before that we're gonna line it with these lippy pencils that I received from the Matte Pala. They sent me like a couple of really cute matte lipsticks, so I'm gonna use the shade number 11, which is like a nice burgundy, to line my lips, and then go over it with, sorry, I keep reaching for stuff, and then go over it with Daredevil, just to give this look a pop of color. But usually just apply gloss and call it a day. And this is Daredevil. It's like a really lovely red. I featured it in my previous haul, which I will link somewhere here so you guys can go check it out. Quick tip, if you want your liquid lipsticks to dry at a fast rate, just breathe in and out and it's dry. And that is it, guys. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.